Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play games on NVIDIA GeForce Now. First, you'll need to create an NVIDIA account, which is your gateway to cloud gaming. Once registered, download the GeForce Now application onto your preferred device. After installation, choose a membership plan that fits your gaming style, whether free or paid. Finally, log into the app using your new account details to begin your gaming journey. After logging in, the next step is to link your existing game libraries. Open the GeForce Now application and head to the Settings menu. Here, you can connect your accounts from popular digital game stores such as Steam, Epic Games, and Ubisoft Connect. This allows GeForce Now to recognize the games you already own, making them available for streaming directly from the cloud. With your accounts linked, you are ready to discover and play games. Browse the extensive catalog of supported titles directly within the GeForce Now application. You can also use the search bar to quickly find a specific game you own. Simply click on the game you want to play, and GeForce Now will launch it from the cloud, streaming it directly to your device. To ensure the best possible gaming experience, consider a few optimizations. A stable internet connection is crucial. Aim for at least 25 megabits per second. You can adjust the streaming quality settings within the app to match your connection speed. For maximum stability and reduced latency, always use a wired Ethernet connection if possible. Also, confirm your device meets the minimum system requirements for smooth gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.